Alright, what's going on guys? Today I have the Google Pixel 4a. I just got it today and I've been using the Note 20, and if you guys know, this thing is $1,000 and I think you guys might be impressed on what Google has to offer for $350. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. We have pull tabs here so I can't use my knife, unfortunately. Team Pixel written on the back as well. Get this off my hand. So it only comes in one color, just black. Slides off the box pretty smoothly, nothing on the top right here. And we have the device here. Let's give it a quick smell test. It doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. That's good. So before I actually get this powered on, let's see what else comes in the box. Bunch of paperwork. Oh, this is actually really nice. So it comes with the USB-C adapter, 18 watts, as you can see right here. We have it seems to be an adapter from USB-C to USB-C, or USB-C to USB-A. Sorry about that. This is probably also made in China, but it's really nice that Google gives you this. And then we have the regular USB-C adapter, also made in China. And then the box itself, made in Canada. And then the device, made in Vietnam. So what we have on this phone is the Snapdragon 730G. Ooh, that was really nice, the way that plastic came off. So on this side, we have the colored lock button here. It's like a teal, the volume rocker here. Then on the bottom, we have our speaker setup as well as the USB-C. And then on the other side, we have our SIM card tray. And then on the top, we have the good old headphone jack. I know a lot of people miss this thing. Oh, and then on the back, forgot this, has the fingerprint reader. So let's get this off the desk and get this powered on. So like I was saying before, this comes with the Snapdragon 730G, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. And wow, I actually like that animation. That was a lot cleaner than the Samsung I unboxed earlier this week. So it's just loading up right now. I actually like the feel of it in my hand. Do I have my iPhone 10? So this actually is about the same exact size as my iPhone 10. Pretty impressed. It has that one-handed feel that a lot of people like. The volume rocker is a little bit lower than I would like. That's just my first impressions, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up and then I'll come back to the video. Let me try the unlocking real quick. Oh!
Yeah.
Hold on.
It's so fast.
Hold on.
Oh, you need that. You need that genuine reaction. Man.
Hold on. That was actually kind of slick.
Yeah. That's the one thing I love about Pixels, man. So fast.
Wait, so do you? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. Hold on. 350? Wait, the SE2 is what, 400 or is that 350?
It was 400.
The thing is this phone sold overseas or is it just in the US and Europe?
Europe, US, maybe India.
They gotta put this in India.
This would be killer in India.
This would be killer everywhere.
Yeah.
I mean, this is just first impressions. Just first impression, guys. All right, so my phone is finally set up. It's been a smooth experience so far. Not too many complaints, but let's go ahead and test out the camera. All right, so let's bring the plant into frame. All right, let's take one photo here. You can see it's capturing the translucency of it. The vase that's holding the plant is also pretty crisp as well. And it has that nice blurred background effect that people love. There's definitely a lot of post-processing that's happening over time. I would say over a span of 5 to 10 seconds. But keep in mind, this is a $350 phone, so have your expectations set in mind. Let's do portrait mode of this plant. Oh, baby. Wow. Oh my God. Okay. Portrait mode on this phone is really impressive, no doubt. Wow, this is really impressive. Like I said before, there was about 5 seconds of post-processing, but wow, this is a really nice portrait mode using the back camera. Wow, this is is actually really good. Wow, it's the way it does the post-processing is so weird. Like, it looks bad, and then 5 seconds, crisp. All right, let's take a photo. Looking rough. Man, it really makes the subject pop out compared to the back. Although I will say towards the, I would say edge of my shoulders, the blur is a little bit harsh. But overall, I think people are going to be happy with the portrait mode on this phone, no doubt. I would say this might be best in class. So next, let's open up a YouTube video and visit a country to test out the display and the speakers. Where's YouTube? Oh, it's right here. I mean, for $350, wow, this is really good. Look at this. There's no way people are going to complain about this display for $350. And it also has stereo speakers. Wow. $350. Keep that in mind throughout this entire video. $350. Wow. I do wish Google made more colors. I know that they're trying to, I guess, cheap out on their supply chain and just have black so they don't have to worry about customizations, but it would have been nice if they had, you know, white, at least something else that's, you know, a little bit different. It's going to be some time before the review of this phone comes out, but I will say just off first impressions alone that this might be one of the best budget. I don't have the OnePlus Nord, so I don't know if I can actually say that, but I am in the US and that phone's not available here, so I don't know if that's a real competitor here. So, So for $350, you're getting basically what I said in my old flagship versus mid-range phones. What people really care about, I would say the average consumer cares about in a smartphone, is a good display, good battery, camera, user experience, and price. And I think the Google Pixel 4a, off first impressions, definitely nails all those boxes. But I don't think anyone's gonna be dissatisfied using this product at this price point. So one thing I want you guys to understand is this is the Note 20 and this phone is $1,000. And I mean, like I said before in my older video, that people buy this for the S Pen. So convincing people to buy a phone cheaper that doesn't have an S Pen is going to be hard. But the value that you get out of this Pixel 4 is almost the same as this Note 20. Yes, you're taking a hit on some of the specs, like you're not getting the Snapdragon 865, you're missing out on some of the cameras, the extra cameras, but Google is proving that through software optimization that you don't need all these extra cameras. Now, if you want to record in 8K, you know, more power to you, drop that $1,000. I'm not a part of that. So I just think for $350 that you're just getting so much value out this phone, and I think this is what is going to push Google further in the phone industry. So I'm gonna use this phone for about a week and then give you guys my final thoughts on it, but this is just my final impression, or God, my first impression. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Please make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content. Leave a like, and as always guys, much love. Interesting. See, it showed a fingerprint reader and I thought that I had an in-display finger. No, it's on the back, guys. $350.